Hey there, it's Lisa here. You probably landed on this video while looking for information about Cash Building System Unlimited, specifically to answer the question, are people earning money with Cash Building System Unlimited? Well, I recently researched and joined the opportunity after hearing some amazing things about it and got plugged into the private members community. So in this video, I will answer this frequently asked question. So if you are interested in the answer and to learn more about CBSU, then continue watching this video. All right, welcome back. Again, my name is Lisa, and as I mentioned at the start of the video, I will be answering the question, are people earning money with Cash Building System Unlimited? But before I get into this video, if this is your first time on one of my videos, I want to welcome you. Please be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the bell so you can be notified when I come out with a new video. I certainly appreciate it. Okay, so let's get right into it. If you happen to land on my video and don't have a clue what Cash Building System Unlimited is even about, then let me quickly go over it. CBSU is a direct mail postcard marketing system managed by JD Marketing, located in Senecaville, Ohio. The business opportunity is a simple two-phase program. In phase 1, you join at a $50 one-time membership fee. You will receive 200 postcards and 200 leads with addresses on peel and stick labels. You will also receive a short welcome letter with your personal ID number, a phase 2 upgrade form, and order form to purchase additional postcards and leads. At phase 1, you qualify to earn $25 for each person that signs up from one of your postcards or through your personal website. Now, when you are ready to earn bigger money, then you can upgrade to phase 2 of the program. In phase 2, you have up to 8 different levels you can upgrade to earn anywhere between $70 to $3,500. Then there is spillover bonus and upgrade bonus. But for the sake of keeping this video short, I'll go into details of phase 2 in another video. So be sure to subscribe to my channel to get notified of my next video, or visit the link in the video description to learn more. And that, my friend, is Cash Building System Unlimited in a nutshell. So back to answering the question, are people earning money with Cash Building System Unlimited? And the answer is yes. It's unbelievable the amount of money people are earning in the system in such a short amount of time. And I'm going to prove it to you. I'm going to take you inside Cash Building System Unlimited Income Proof group on Facebook so you can see some of our members earning with this system. So as you can see, people are really earning money with Cash Building System Unlimited. and it is by far one of the easiest businesses to get up and running. It can be done both offline and online and fits perfectly into anyone's schedule, skill level, and budget. If you like what you've seen so far and would like to learn more about Cash Building System Unlimited, there will be a link in the video description area to get more details. And if you are ready to join, you can definitely do so using the link in the video description. Be sure to review my site and check out the bonuses you'll receive for joining through me. And if you should have any questions before joining, please don't hesitate to reach out to me. My contact information is in the video description as well. I want to thank you for watching this video, and if you like the information I shared, be sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, take a moment to subscribe now so you can be notified when I come out with a new video. Again, thank you and have an awesome day.